this has been a super heavy client after client afternoon into the night. It's almost 7 o'clock. I wanted to do like a client recap, lessons learned of the day, right off the top. So number one is that your weeks, your days, they're not going to be perfect when you start setting up routines and methods to work on developing your sleep and improve the quality and the duration of it. It's going to happen. So I had a client who just like they had so many obligations last week, it just threw off the whole thing. The prior 2 weeks were stellar, and the weeks before that were great. So it's just a matter of just getting back on. And every specialist I've talked to in the industry all agree. Like, it's never 100%. It's never 7 nights a week. So just let it go and move on. Second thing, wow. Mindset. What you think and believe and come to inhabit. This is why it's like, guys, I'm not making money off of my book. What I am doing with my book is saving hours of time with clients and giving them new insights and mindset shifts that are making it easier to fall asleep. So my second to last client, he goes, you know what? This is about nighttime, before bed. Talking about his wife partner. We're not really fighting sleep anymore. We're not really clock watching. Mindset. This guy went from a very regimented 15-minute routine and method that we were using to get him to bed earlier to increase the length of his sleep. He's now evolved due to learning specific things about sleep, using the insights in my book, to the point where now it's just natural. But that's where we want to get to, is where you're not thinking about sleep anymore. You're just like, oh yeah, are you tired? I'm tired. Okay, let's go up. So don't underestimate the mind when it comes to this. And then lastly, 4 hours of sleep will not cut it. I just had a new client, and that's an emergency. Yes, it will keep you alive. Yes, it will allow you to work your day, but you will feel like rubbish. And that's how he feels. So here's the 3 things we're doing emergency. Number 1, at night is what we call a power down hour, but for him we're starting with the power down half hour. No digital phones, no music, no computer. It is absent stimulation. And we'll start him there. 60-minute nap. Naps and the research on them have come a long way, my friends, and they can be very useful. And for him getting 4 hours of sleep, we gotta get a nap in. He was taking them at different times. Now the ideal time is 1 to 3 and for 60 minutes. You do get some of that deep sleep exposure and experience in those naps. So that's collecting up some that you're not getting at night. That's why I'm saying it's like emergency. We're going to grab some during the day. And lastly is, I'm just so awesome. My burnout training. Guys, I'm giving it for free until the end of the year. It's just a quick 7.5 minute video and a couple of documents. And it gives you a couple things that he's going to be integrating throughout the day to give him spurts of restoration and recharge that he wasn't getting before. So those are the big ones. It's never going to be perfect. Mindset is huge. And 4 hours ain't going to cut it. So you got to figure out ways to stuff the day with ways to have restoration and recharge. So if you want my burnout training, just message me. Put in a message. I'll send it to you for free. All right, guys. Rock on.